Hey there, welcome back to SAP with Veena. In this video, let's understand the collective processing that's available in sales and distribution activities. So I'm on SAP Easy Access screen. I'm going to logistics, sales and distribution, shipping and transportation. Then we have outbound delivery. We're going to create and single document that's VL01N. We've already seen how an outbound delivery document is created. So right now I'm referring to the collective processing of the documents that are due for delivery. So if you go into collective processing, you have various transaction codes over here. So for example, if you look at VL10A or VL10C, VL10A will be for the sales orders where the data is fetched from the header, and VL10C is for the particular line items. That's the difference between these two transaction codes. Let me go into VL10C. And here shipping point, let it be at 1010. I'll be going with that. And delivery creation, which is due, I want to keep it vast, the option. So I've just deleted from, and I want the system to pick all the documents which are due till 8th of January. And calculation rule for the delivery, this again, I want to keep it at the maximum. So due today or tomorrow, all that I don't want. So I'll keep it at max. And also here you can see there are various options based on which we can as well look for the document, either based on the sales organization or sales document type or whatever parameters you're looking over you're seeing over here. And also sales orders based search also I can do either material based search also we can look for the documents, and even based on the partner functions, all that. So as of now, I'm going with the shipping point. So let me click on execute. Now these are the documents which are due for shipment. So I'll just pick this and I'll go into, either I can execute this in the foreground or in the background. So I'm going into this dialog, and here, okay, before this, let me check what is the shipping point. Yeah, this is 1010. And the storage location. And here I'm going to pick all the quantity. And now you can see it says not yet picked. So when I pick the complete quantity, it says fully picked. And I can click on post goods issue. And you can see here system says outbound delivery document has been generated. You can as well go to VL03N and look for this document. Display the document to see like what has been posted. Similarly, we also have an option of going in the background. You can click on the particular document and you can execute in the background also, wherein system will create the outbound delivery document in the backend. And also, if you look at here, the various transaction codes, we have VL10B, which will be based on the purchase order you're going to execute, the documents which are due for delivery. So you can have a look here, like we have various options. And also, I just want to brief you on the outbound delivery monitor, what we have. That's VL060. Now, this outbound delivery monitor would help us to understand the documents which are pending in certain stages. For example, now I want to know the documents which are pending with picking activities. So here I can look for the documents based on the shipping point and also the picking dates. And we have various other options over here, like you can specify the route determination, whatever we have, or anything. Whatever you can have a look on the screen. So now I'll just try to execute this. Sorry. Okay, now you can see that the system is saying that these are the documents which are pending for picking activities. Again, the previous step, what I showed you for the due list. Likewise, you can actually execute this in the background or in the foreground. Similarly, we have options wherein we can look for the documents which are pending for the goods issue activities. Same way, here you can specify various parameters based on which you can look for the documents which are pending with the goods issue activities and loading activities, confirmation, all of this. So I have an option of even going into list outbound deliveries, wherein I can simply provide a sales organization. Let me pick 1710. And if I execute, okay, plan goods movement, I'll delete the start date. And I just want to keep it wide, so I'm not providing any particular details over here. So when I click on execute, system would list out all the delivery documents, outbound delivery documents that were generated against this particular sales organization. You can also export this to a Excel sheet. So in addition to that, you can also give various parameters over here to generate the list of outbound delivery documents. So this is one of the useful dashboard which can be used to ascertain and monitor the various delivery activities where certain things are pending. We can actually take necessary actions based on the list what the system would generate based on the parameters what we are going to specify. So this is how collective processing can be handled in sales activities. And this is it for in this particular video. So let's connect in the next one with a new topic. Till then, stay tuned, stay committed. Thank you so much.